Reggie. We just got back from Economy Candy on the Lower East Side, and guess what was there? The Reggie Bar. Now, when I was a kid, this was the biggest thing ever. And for kids from the 70s and 80s, here we go. Let's look at this iconic chocolate bar and see what it looks like. This was my favorite all-time candy bar ever. Let's check it out. Let's see if it's as good as I remember. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't even get out of the bag. It is so big. This is amazing. I love this chocolate bar. I can't believe it. There it is in all its chocolatey goodness with peanuts and caramel. Oh my goodness, this is so phenomenal. So anyhow, you can get it at Economy Candy on the Lower East Side. Go run and get a Reggie Bar.